These bra straps is gonna freaking kill me. What up, y'all? It's your girl Dauntless Denny, and I'm back today with another video. I'm showing you guys how I got this low sleek ponytail. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so I'm here today showing you guys how I achieved this look. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And sorry about the lighting, you guys. It is gloomy outside, but I did put in an order for a ring light, so that should be coming soon. And yeah, so I won't have problems with my future videos of trying to always get my lighting from the sun on like days like this. So don't worry, that'll be coming soon. And like I said, if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Or if this is your second time viewing my video, third, fourth, and you're not subscribed yet, and you're trying to see if this is a channel that you want to subscribe to, yeah, subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting on. But yeah, I would love to have you. I'm going to stop talking now to let you guys see how I did this bun. Is this a bun? This isn't a bun. To let you guys see how I did this ponytail, and I will see you guys towards the end of my video, so keep watching. Alright, hey you guys, so I just freshly washed and deep conditioned my hair. I always wash my hair in twists because this helps me to better manage my hair and I get less tangles this way. So I'm just giving you a 360 here as to how my twists look. Nothing special. And the first thing that I'm going to use is my KeraVada Daily Leave-In Conditioner. It has anti-frizz, moisturizing, conditioning properties, aloe vera concoction. Well, not concoction, it just got water in it and aloe vera juice. And so I'm just taking out my twist to here so I can get ready for moisturizing my hair. So I'm going to spray the leave-in first. I kind of do the LCO method, and then I'm going to use my Texture ID styling cream. I'm new to these voiceovers, so bear with me, y'all, because I'm not recording this over again. I'm trying to show you guys, get the lighting right. Then an oil mixture. Rub that together, put that all through my hair. And all that jazz. My hair's so springy, y'all. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to work in the Texture ID, just sniffing it. It really doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, I got it right here with me. And it kind of smells like Play-Doh. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to work that in. Make sure it's all smooth. Then I have a little bit of the Eco Styler Gold Gel. It was just a little bit left, so I just used what I had. And then you're going to see later that I used some other gel. And I'm going to brush it in. Make sure it's all smooth because you need a smooth, sleek ponytail. I want to show you how I got this on type 4 hair. I really don't hair type, but I got some thick hair, y'all. Look at those curls, though. That's slow motion action for you. So I'm just going to stop talking right here, let you guys see what all that I do as far as taking down the twist, putting on the leave-in, spraying my hair if it needs more water, and I will see you guys when I get to the next step. Okay, so this is the second gel that I was telling you guys about, which is the Shea Moisture Strengthen Restore Max Hold Gel with shea butter and peppermint. And this stuff is really good. It kept my hair laid for the whole entire week. It smells okay, and the consistency here that you see, it's not all that thick. It's really runny, so it's very lightweight, but it has great hold. So it kept my hair, like I said, for the whole entire week just laid. And then I'm just going to brush it all in and put it with the previous ponytail and continue on with the rest of my head. And right here I'm just trying to get it all into a ponytail, and I'm going to do better, you guys, with these back shots of my hair. I just got this chair and I'm trying to see how it all works. And so I'm just going to band my ponytail so my hair doesn't try to curl up on itself and I have to detangle all over again. But I use that method just to keep my hair stretched. And now moving on towards the front. So I'm just trying to decide which side I want my part on. I wanted to go with the side part, and I'm not all that great at parting on myself, so I have to do it a few times just to get it right. And just one more time. So I think I'm satisfied here. Yeah, we're good. And so I'm just going to pin one side up while I work on the smallest side first. Like I said, I repeat the steps: conditioner, put that on, massage it in, make sure the product is worked throughout my hair, then oil, massage that through my hair, make sure it's all moisturized. And just to let y'all know, oil is a sealant, not a moisturizer. Then I put on my Texture ID styling cream, and that section was a little dry, so I just wet it back up with my aloe vera and water. Brush it on in, make sure it's all detangled before I try to brush it back into my ponytail. Put the gel on. Don't forget the gel. And you can add as much or as little as you want. It's just a tutorial, my suggestions. You can do what you want to your own head. So now that I'm on the other side of my head, which is much bigger than the previous side that I was just on, I'm going to split that section into 3. You guys won't see this because of course I cut and edit the video, but I put it into 3 so that I could better smooth out the top of my hair into my ponytail. And I will see you guys once I get to the final steps in laying down my ponytail for the clip-in. So finally, I am at the top of my hair, smoothing in the rest of my hair for my ponytail. And this is the crucial part, you guys. You have to make sure that if anything else isn't laid, you need to make sure the front of your hair is laid. Like, honey, that is what people's going to see the most, and that's what you want to look most presentable, if not everything. But anywho, so yeah, I'm gonna take a board bristle brush, get it together, and smooth down my hair in the front. That was a tongue twister. And so I'm just going to put all of that into my ponytail and get ready for laying and slaying those edges. Now, you can stop here, put your headscarf on, and then add on your clip-ins, or you could leave your ponytail how you're about to see now, with just me banding it, which is also cute too. But I ain't got enough length for that, so I want to take it up a notch and put on some clip-ins. But before, I'm going to lay my edges, and I'm using the Gorila Snot, the pink punk version. Sorry, I'm not re-recording this. And so I'm going to just lay my edges here. I'm gonna lay them how I like them. Okay, so after my edges, I'm using the BB Pump It Up Gold Spritz Super Hold, and this played a major part in helping my hair lay down as well. So I'm just going to spray that all on the top of my hair, so for when I go to put my scarf on, that it'll help mold it as well. So I'm just spraying here, and now I'm putting on my scarf. And I'm going to basically tie it as tight as I can stand it. I don't put it too tight though. So this helps to lay the top of my hair and my edges. And I'm starting to put the clip-ins on my ponytail that you see, starting from the bottom up. So I clip them going up. And this also gives me length and volume as well. Or a layered look. And as you can see, that's not going anywhere. So I keep on layering my ponytail until I get to the base of my my hair. And like I said, this gives me length and a layered effect to the ponytail, which I like. I'm just going to take a piece from the back of the ponytail, wrap it around the base so that you don't see where the clip-in starts on my ponytail, and then I'm going to just bobby pin that in place, and since we good to go. But next, so my ponytail don't be looking crusty, I'm going to spray some of that aloe vera juice and water mixture on it to give it some life, because I love it when my ponytails have life. And so I'm just going to brush that through. See y'all? I think it came out cute. And now, the final look. So these are my edges or whatever. The top of my head and my ponytail. Hey y'all. And I think it came out pretty cute. So yeah, tell me what you think. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to I'm actually I don't know, I think it's like 7, 8 o'clock right now. But I did my hair like this before work tomorrow. I'm gonna let it finish setting because it's still wet and I need it to be molded and laid flat and everything for the morning. Yes, I'm going to sleep in my ponytail. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the finished look and everything. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for your continuous support, my loves. And I'll see you guys in the next video.